Box break number 11. Welcome everyone. Here we go. We're going top and right for this box. Players on the top and right. Top and or right. There's our box loader. Top loader. What are they called? One original buyback card. There you go. What I'll do tonight is just call off the team name of the player on the card. Oh, Jerry Zimmerman for the Minnesota Twins. 1963. Buyback. A little scuffed up, but at least it wasn't put through the spokes of a bicycle wheel. Okay. Here we go. Good luck. Tigers, Brewers. Top right, but since there's a Minnesota Twin, that goes to me. Padres. Oh, that's where Quentin went, huh? Okay. Twinks again. Top right, anyway. Mariners, Nationals, Cardinals. I love that card. It's a good looking card. Cardinals, Indians, checklist, C4. Oh, I forgot to mention that the Nationals card was a 1963, 327 out of 1963, Chrome. I haven't seen a black bordered card yet, black bordered refractor yet. I have seen a refractor in our last break. Nationals, Rays, Cubs, Pirates, Indians, Cubs, Willie Mays for the San Francisco Giants, Dodgers, Blue Jays. Everybody's going crazy over that card, aren't they? Or they were. It's not a high number. Rookie, though. J.J. Hardy, Orioles, Braves, Tigers, Royals, Angels, Cubs, John F. Kennedy, End of Camelot, Pujols for the Cardinals, Indians, Tigers, Reds, Padres, Giants. Both Tigers, so go to the Tigers. White Sox team card. Mini of Andrew McCutchen for the Pirates sticker. Huff for the Giants. Tampa Bay Rays. Diamondbacks. There's the Jeter card for the Yankees. Reds, Rockies, Giants. Top and right, we go with the Nationals. Corey Brown, rookie. Royals. Yankees. Dodgers. Checklist on the back here, C5, and we have, it looks like a refractor coming up. Rangers, Cardinals, Red Sox. Cardinals. Man in the upper right goes to the Phillies. Top right. And a refractor of Jose Reyes out of 563. 221 out of 563. Congrats, Marlins. We had a, who was it last time? Oh, Evan Longoria refractor in our last, in one of my previous box breaks. Kerry Wood Cubs, Orioles, checklist number 5. Now there's a misprint of the Kerry Wood card. I wonder if that's it. Diamondbacks, Braves, Brewers, Tampa Bay Rays, rookie, no? All-Star rookie in 2011. Bobby Abreu, Angels, Cardinals. Man on the right, Tampa Bay, James Shields. Pirates, Marlins. I cannot wait for baseball season to start. Brewers, Reds, Aaron Sebia. That's oh, I thought that was a 400 card. Blue Jays, Yankees. We have a sticker coming up. Braves, Royals manager, Troy Tulowitzki, Rockies mini sticker. Twinks, Hendricks rookie. Dodgers, Kemp. Let me know if you see any special prints or super special prints or whatever they're called. There are so many, it looks like, on eBay they're finding. A lot of misprints, maybe intentional, maybe unintentional by Topps to push their product. Rangers, Red Sox, Reds, Royals, manager for the Diamondbacks, Kirk Gibson, and here is our hit coming up right after Kirk. Orioles, Adam Jones, game used memorabilia. Boy, our last 2 breaks we've had, our last 3 breaks now we've had cloth. Oh well. Orioles, congrats Orioles. There you go. Matt Moore, Rays, rookie. Montero, rookie for the Mariners, not Yankees. Looks like Russell Martin is taking his place. I'm sure he wished he could have stayed. Padres, Reds, Angels, Twinks, Dumont. Athletics rookie, Johan, Mets. JFK, Berliner. JFK pledges German freedom. What was it? I am a Berliner. I thought he said it wrong. Ich bin ein Berliner. I thought that meant I am a sausage. I think he mispronounced that. They're not mentioning it they're not mentioning that on the back of the card. Shows them in a good light, I suppose. Top right, Mets and Padres. You're probably asking me, you're probably saying to yourself, please shut up and just open the next pack. Your rambling is worthless to us. Longoria, Rays, Yankees, Swisher, Diamondbacks, Athletics, man on the upper right, goes to the Reds, rookie. Looking for that 1962 misprint up here. Haven't seen that yet. Cardinals, Astros, Nationals, All-Star Rookie 2011, Marlins. Maybe Topps will throw in something special, huh? Royals, Phillies, Yankees, Brewers, Ron Washington, there he is, Rangers, Dodgers, rookie, Al Kelleen, Tigers, Mets, Tigers, Albuquerque, Albuquerque, wow. That's a great name. Albuquerque. Phillies, Rangers, Rivera, Yankees, Blue Jays, Rangers, foes. Again, we've seen, I don't know, 3 or 4 of these cards. This time it goes to Cardinals when Pujols was with them. Blue Jays. I think that's a special print. Phillies, Dodgers, Tigers, Yankees, Giants, Lincecum, Yankees, geez, 3 Yankees, come on. Rays, Brewers, Weeks, Twinks, rookie stars, and Strasburg. Is he back to form? I don't know. It's hard enough to keep up with what my team's doing. Diamondbacks, Giants, Cardinals, Kyle Loesch. Yeah, I remember him. Ex-Twin, Kyle Loesch, Cardinals. Ex-Twin, DeYoung one for the Tigers. Marlins, Phillies team card. That's a little different. Huh? Marlins, Rangers, rookie, Mets, Schwinden. Ich bin ein Schwinden. Ich bin ein Berliner. I thought it was a pastry. Maybe it's a pastry, he said. It was close to Berliner. Not sausage. Cole Hamels, that's a nice card. Phillies. Garza, Cubs. Man in the upper right goes to the White Sox. 2012. Orioles. Smashers, Red Sox. Joe Mauer. Twinks. Man on the right, Cabrera. Tigers. With Carl on the left. Indians, manager, Astros, Matt Downs. Seems like I get slower every break I do. Must be enjoying it too much. Phillies, Rangers. There is a... That's not the special print of the Rangers. I believe it's a orange bottom, blue, or blue and orange of Young. Braves. Astros, upper right, Cardinals, Adrian Chambers, rookie. It's like the 5th Mets team card I've seen. Indians, White Sox, done. Starlin Castro, Cubs. We've seen 1 color swap photo card. Haven't seen one yet in this break, though. Yankees, Rangers. Those cards seem to follow each other. Rangers. Phillies. Upper right-hand corner goes to the Angels. Jeremy Moore, rookie. Jim Thome, ex-Twin, ex-everything, right? Cleveland, Philadelphia, Chicago, Los Angeles. For the Phillies, though, Braves, Chipper Jones. New Age Performers, upper right, Jared Weaver. ERA leader. And Trout for the Angels. Checklist C3. I think that's the only checklist I don't have. Rodriguez, Yankees, Dodgers, Jimenez, Indians, Astros. There's that funny looking grimace. He must be doing that on purpose. Okay. Cardinals. Deep freeze makes Texas toast. Reds. Granderson. Chrome. 172 out of 1963. Curtis Granderson. Congrats, Yankees. Don't have to congratulate them much. They get it. They get the majority. They seem to stockpile these packs, these boxes with Yanks. Gardenhire for my Twinks. White Sox. Rookie Reed. C3 checklist. I might have all of those now. Come on, Topps, throw us something here. Nationals. White Sox, that's a good looking card. Royals. Padres. Rangers. Baltimore Orioles team card. Ian Kennedy for the Diamondbacks sticker. Russell Martin, Yankees. Giants, Melky, Cabrera. We have 4 more packs left, and I'm pretty much on schedule. Really slow. Fowler, Rockies, Phillies, Mariners, Yankees, Texas. Phillies finishes off for Texas. Game 2. Rangers. Jared Weaver, Angels, New Age Performers. Upper right, we have Kershaw for the Dodgers. And Ricky Romero, Blue Jays. Tigers, Braves, Chipper Jones. Athletics, Angels. Man in the upper right goes to Austin Romine, rookie for the Yanks. There's the other beginning Yank, Montero. Joe Benson, rookie. Twinks. Josh Hamilton, I think that's the first Josh Hamilton I pulled. That's a 486, that's up there. That's a special print, huh? That looks like special print A. Wonder if there's a B for Hamilton. Mets manager, Schumacher, Cardinals. Haven't seen my Kadire for the Rockies, number 500 yet. Red Sox, Torrey Hunter, Angels. Reds, AJ, boo. White Sox, Red Sox, Marlins, Phillies, Tampa Bay Rays, manager, Rockies rookie, Rosario. So I guess not too exciting. One last pack here. Pablo Sandoval, Giants, Nationals, Rangers, Mets. Man on the upper right, Mr. Braun, Brewers. Kansas City Royals team card. Pirates. 492. I think the highest I've seen is 497. Come out of the past. Blue Jays, Casey Janssen. And we have a rookie for the Yankees, Romine, to finish off our 11th box break. Thank you for joining me today. I will get these sorted tonight, hopefully, and I will ship out either tomorrow or Tuesday at the latest. Here's your hit from the box. Adam Jones of the Baltimore Orioles. Congrats, Orioles. And take a look right behind me. I have one more box to break coming up soon. Number 12. I like this product a lot, so maybe I'll continue with these box breaks if people are interested. Thank you for joining me again tonight, and I will see you soon.